You might thinking where you can find the world's tallest fountain. Do you know where it is? Hello evaders, this is King Lakwatsera, trivia in Saudi Arabia.
Hello e-breeders! Ito si King Lakwatsera.
The world's tallest fountain was in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. It was constructed in 1980 to 1983 and it was launched to the public in 1985. This fountain was donated by King Fahd and it was named King Fahd's Fountain, or also known as Jeddah's Fountain. It measured 312 meters or 1,023 feet high. Of this water fountain, it was surrounded by 500 spotlights that's illuminate in the night. That's amazing. It's incredible. This is Jeddah's Fountain. This fountain was made of salt water instead of fresh water. When you see this fountain, you will be amazed. How did they make? So don't forget to bring your camera when you visit Saudi Arabia to have a perfect moment to this.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, share,